Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to the Karnataka Roundtable. The one narrative right through this roundtable you will find, particularly when you interview politicians, is that of corruption. We are told that one government is 10% commission, the other is called 40% commission. Either way, the truth of Karnataka is corruption has been an unfortunate reality in the politics of the state, which is why we thought that who better than Justice B.S. Patil, the Lokayukta of Karnataka, the anti-corruption watchdog, to tell us what the reality on the ground is. Appreciate your joining us, Justice Patil, here on the India Today Roundtable.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me start with that. You know, there is a general sense among citizens that corruption has eaten into the system in states like Karnataka, this commission Raj. As the Lokayukta, do you agree, do you share the concern, the anger, the frustration, the desperation of the citizens of Karnataka when it comes to growing corruption in the state, irrespective of which party is in power?
Certainly, the corruption as a menace in the society has enormously pervaded different parts of the fabric of the society, the polity, the administration, the governance. Largely that is one of the reasons why the developments as expected have not happened, and there is indeed a retardation of the developmental activities because of the large-scale corruption.
So the Karnataka Lokayukta is accepting that there is large-scale corruption.
There is absolutely no doubt about it. It is not Karnataka only. It is all over the country, and it is recognized and lamented by the Honorable Supreme Court in a number of cases that corruption has corroded like a cancer of lymph nodes of the nerves of the polity, of the society. It has eaten into the efficiency of the administration. It has disheartened the honest officers. It is not as if all officers are corrupt. All administrative machinery is corrupt. There are honest officers. But the corrupt officers have demoralized the whole system. Therefore, it is essential that corruption is fought at an institutional level, at different levels, right from the top till the end.
Those are very strong words, and you're saying that corruption is a cancer. I just want to understand, is it the officials or is it the political masters who are at the top of this corruption pyramid? Where does it start? Who is responsible? How do you break this sort of, to sort of find a cure? Is it first to tackle political corruption or bureaucratic corruption, or both?
No, under the provisions of the Act, both Karnataka Lokayukta Act and the Prevention of Corruption Act, wherever the corruption takes place, whenever the complaint comes, whoever may be the person indulging in corrupt activities, unhesitatingly, the institution should march ahead, take action. Even if it is the topmost person in the state, there shall not be any hesitation in taking action. So that is the mantra. And it can happen only then you can really fight truthfully, honestly, the corruption as a menace, as a cancer.
Suo motu action or on a citizen's complaint?
Yeah, so far as the Act makes a slight distinction here. So far as the elected representatives are concerned, there is no power to take suo motu action. But insofar as officials are concerned, other government officials and public servants are concerned, there is provision to take suo motu action. And we have indeed initiated in number of cases suo motu actions.
The reason I'm asking you this, sir, is because only last month, the Karnataka Lokayukta was making the headlines. You raided the office first of a BJP MLA, Madal Virupakshapa, his son. Crores of rupees were found there. Then you raided the residence of the MLA. And eventually both of them were arrested, but Mr. Virupakshappa is now out on bail. Are we to believe that what happened with Mr. Virupakshappa and his son with the crores of rupees that were found in their residence cum office are an exception or a rule? You acted presumably there on a complaint.
Yeah.
But is it an exception or a rule that such large quantities of cash are available in the houses and offices of our MLAs in Karnataka? What is your sense?
No, I can't make a general statement like that, because only when a complaint comes, only when preliminary facts are placed before us, only when prima facie case is made out, our machinery is set in motion. 2 complainants came, they gave complaint, we deliberated on it couple of days and asked them to provide proper material, the foundational material. Then we decided to raid and search. And we registered a case under the Prevention of Corruption Act, and that is the only power under the Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, we can arrest. Under the Lokayukta Act, we can search and seize, but not arrest. But that was a case under the Prevention of Corruption Act, and we raided and we arrested. As regards whether it is all pervasive, whether all representatives, elected representatives, regardless of political affiliations are like that, I cannot make a statement like that. It will not be fair to make a statement like that, because in every field there are honest people. In every field there are dedicated, committed people. And same time in every field, the cancer is spreading, unfortunately.